This is Ernie Lee with the Teach Savannah Learning Academy, a part of the GTAP program within the Savannah-Chatham County Public Schools. Hello teachers, welcome to week 5 of your 6-week classroom management course. You are nearly there. First, please accept my apologies. I did not post the discussion board for last week, and your grades will be adjusted, but there will be a discussion board posted this week. Now, in this next to the last assignment, you're to work on the 5th section of your classroom management plan. And the focus of this assignment is to develop your own procedures specifically for you, the teacher. Now, here are the rubrics for the 5th section of your classroom management plan. Criteria, procedures for teacher. In this section, you're to read about and consider how to deal with various situations or circumstances that will arise in the classroom. By thinking about these ahead of time, you may be better able to deal with the situation when it happens. Now, most teachers have had to deal with these in the moment, in real time. To be better prepared, you need to be able to develop these procedures for the following circumstances. The new student, the angry or defiant student, the student acting out or seeking attention, the death of a student, or the death of a student's parent, contacting parents in parent conferences, preparing for a substitute teacher, submitting a referral to the school social worker, and there's many more you could add. Now, as you go to write this section, dig deep. I strongly recommend that you speak to another more experienced teacher or your building administrators to see if procedures are already in place to help you with this task. If not, you will need to develop the procedure. Now, you can find help for this assignment in your textbook on pages 228 through 268. Additionally, you may also need to do independent research to help find these procedures. Now, why do you need procedures as a teacher? Well, by this time in the course, you have most likely already come to the realization that good classroom management just does not happen. It must be planned, developed, and implemented. Students not only need to be taught, but also retaught procedures for the smooth operation of a classroom. Now, checklists and routines are what helps to keep one organized and on task. These specific situations will take place in your classes, and this task is to help you develop ideas to have ready when needed. Again, the format is not as important as the thought and detail you put into developing this section. Now, we will meet virtually on October the 4th to discuss the final submission that is due on October the 10th. And we will meet on Zoom, and you will be sent an invitation via your work email. Now, we will meet for our last virtual meeting at 6:30 p.m. on October the 4th, and we will meet virtually again to discuss the final submission that is due on October the 10th. We will meet on Zoom, and again, you will be sent an invitation via your work email. Now, this last viral session, again, is a time for any questions, and I'll explain how you are to finalize your plan before you submit it to the platform. Now, also, I will post a class survey, and you will not have any new assignments after the one I'm giving you today. And you are to work on and submit your final artifact, which is due on October the 10th. Hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you in the virtual class on October the 4th at 6:30.